Crazy time 7x, my boys and girls. Let's go, baby. 140 for green. Oh.
Spin. Double.
Double A.
Double.
And Russell Boston as well. Ta-da. 50x coin flip. Still, that's a very lucky round for you. You were definitely at the right place at the right time. Because it doesn't happen that often. Ready? You're back. Well, maybe this is the day we're going to get some good stuff. Bring some praise down. Honestly, Map, I'm feeling the same way lately. I have no idea what I'm doing either. Like in life. What? Second crazy time on the Magic Tot Spot. Wow. Okay. There you go. There you go. There you go, guys. Oh, see you there. Bye. Alright, there was somebody previously saying that they have to come here to feed penguins, so I hope the penguins have been fed. And we are ready for another nice one. So, get yourselves ready. We're going to multiply the whole wheel by 3x, every single segment there. And we'll see. Are you ready to choose your flapper? 3, as always, green, the blue in the middle, the yellow on the right. I see someone's asking for advice in the chat. Okay. Last second, or it's going to be randomly selected. Alright, thank you. 300 next is currently the best one, guys. We'll get spinning. Good luck. Whoa, okay. 300x on the yellow. Awesome.
Honey, let's go. Crazy time. I want to see the penguins, everybody. Let's go. And welcome back. Well, it's up to you to choose the green, the blue, or the yellow flapper. If you don't decide, AutoPick will choose something randomly for you. The majority are going for the color blue. Well, good luck, everybody. Let's do this. 100x. Well, congrats, 1050, and the green's going for another spin. Well, here we go again, 200x. Let's go. And another double.
Double everything.
$400x, everybody. Shablam! Boom! And another double.
$800x, honey.
Good luck. Well, 400x, everybody. Congratulations to the winners. 8,175 winners. Top player at test with more than 43,000 US won. Boom, baby. Boom. Wow, that was beautiful. Best close, thank you. What was that? 3 doubles at least, I think. So best of luck. Let's see what else happens. Enjoy the winnings. Please don't spend.
Crazy time 7x, my boys and girls. Let's go, baby. Woo, 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 woo. Let's go, baby. Ha ha! Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, crazy time with a 7 times on top slot. Wow, this will be fancy one, hopefully. Let's see how it works out for you guys. So, everything is multiplied by 7. 700x will be somewhere there. Somewhere over on the wheel, actually. Choose the color, guys, right now. Green, blue, or yellow. Which is the way how you want to go. I can show you the way. Shining, shimmering. Alright, this will be for you, my boys and girls. 700x is there somewhere. Good luck to you. Woo! We need that 700. Wish you the best. La la, we have a 70x for a blue, 140 for a green. Oh, yellow, you got a double. We have a 1,400x on the yellow right now, on the wheel right now. So, can we get that 1,400x for yellow? Hopefully, yes. I wish you the best, guys. Good luck. Alright, guys, we have a 350x for yellow this time. Congrats. Alright, not too shabby. 70x, 140. Green. Yeah, green. 27 of you with a victory. JP, Razor, Crazy, and everyone else. Let's go, baby.